Problem 5. The accompanying diagram represents circular pond O. That's just a fancy way to say, hey, you got a circle whose center is O. And then they say docks are located at point A and point B. From a cabin located at C. Alright, there's my cabin C. They're clever using the same letter. 2 sightings are taken that determine an angle of 30 degrees for, there it is. There's the key math word. They're talking all gibberish. There we go. This is a tangent, and this is a tangent. Okay. And they're telling me that those tangents form a 30-degree angle. Well, I know if I'm a tangent going from an external point to a circle, and there's another tangent going from that very same point to that very same circle, I know those tangents must be congruent. That's the hat theorem, they call it, because it looks like some person's wearing a hat. They're congruent. Okay? So they also have this chord AB drawn in. So I'm going to pull out this triangle. I've got my 2 tangents at C, and then I've got this chord AB. Alright? Well, this is an isosceles triangle, right? It's isosceles. Isosceles. That means my base angles, the angles opposite the congruent sides, they must be congruent. They must be the same. If this is a 30-degree angle, and there's a total 180 degrees in a triangle, that leaves 150 degrees left over. Each of these angles are 75 degrees. Okay, so this angle here is 75 degrees. I haven't even looked at what they want me to find. They want me to find CBA. Oh, that's light work. All right, they want me to find that angle. Well, it's 75 degrees. We already found it out. If I wanted to answer a harder question, what about this arc? What about this arc? Okay, when you have a chord and a tangent creating an angle in a circle, its arc is double the angle. All right, so this green arc and this angle formed by a chord and a tangent, right? It behaves like an inscribed angle. If my angle is 75, then the arc would be double that. It would be 150. But they're only asking me for the measure of angle CBA. That's 75 degrees via this diagram.